Hello and welcome to E-MultiSkills video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to change or move the default data directory to a new location. I have listed all the steps in a notepad, and in first phase, what we will do is we will go through the steps which are listed here, and then we will perform the demo. So first of all, let's understand what is the default data directory in PostgreSQL. So in Windows, so what happens when you install the PostgreSQL on Windows, which you would have seen in my previous tutorial, that once you install the PostgreSQL on Windows using the run installer, then it asks you for the location of data directory. Either you mention the default location, which is mentioned in the C drive, program files, Postgre, then the version, and then data. If you do not want that location, which is not the preferred location, you need to dedicate a separate drive to the data file so that all the data files can store there. So whatever data goes into the Postgre database, it is stored in that particular location. So over a period of time, this keeps on growing, and either you need to add the storage or you need to maintain that particular file system or the drive. This is a background of what is data directory. Uh, uh, so what we will do is we will perform the demo in 5 steps. In the first step, what we will do is we will log into Postgre using the command prompt, and we will check the location of data directory using show data directory. And then we will stop the services. So make sure that you have a downtime to perform this activity. In the second step, what we will do is we will copy all the data from current data directory, the existing data directory, to the new location. And in the third step, we'll check if the permissions are intact. And then in the fourth step, we will edit the registry setting. You will have to go to HKey local machine system, current control set, services, and then PostgreSQL. There is something called as image path. You need to change, modify the location to the new value. And then finally, we'll start the services. So let's perform the first step. In the first step, what we are going to do is we are going to log into PostgreSQL. So let me open the PostgreSQL 12 command prompt. So I'll log into localhost, database Postgre, default port 5432, Postgre database, and I believe password is password only. Oops, I believe there will be a uh, okay, password I have mentioned wrong, so it has not taken that. So let me try once again. Server localhost, database Postgres, port 5432, username Postgre, and this is the use. Yes. Now here you say show data underscore directory. So this will list down show data underscore directory. So this is the current location. So what we have to do is we need to uh, so this is my current location, C drive, program files, PostgreSQL slash 12 slash data. Since I don't have a separate drive, so what we will do, we will create a new folder with data underscore new, and we will copy all the data from existing location to data underscore new. And what we have to do is we have to stop the services. So let's go to services.msc, services.msc, and open the services. It's already open. So what we will do is we'll go to Postgre services. It is in the state of running. We'll stop this because we have to make some changes. It is stopped. I have two windows open. Okay, I think it's only one. And in the next step, what we will do is we have to copy data to new location. So let's go to the location. Where is my data file? It is in C drive. program files, and then PostgreSQL 12 and data. This is my current data location. So what I have to do is I have to copy all the content to a new location, which is data underscore new. So just copy and paste the entire content. So this may take few seconds to few minutes to several hours. It depends upon the data which is stored. So make sure when you do the new build, you give a proper location so that you don't have to redo this activity. So the location, so I have copied the data to a new location. I'm closing all this folders, and make sure you have proper permission over there. Then in the next step, what we will do is we will go to registry. So just say reg edit. So this will open your registry editor. Then go to HKey local machines. Then you have system. Then you go to current control set. Then you have services. And under services, you have Postgre. So this location is already mentioned in the notepad, which I'll put it in a comment section. Go to PostgreSQL x6412, and there is something called as image path. This mentions the location. So there is hyphen D followed by the complete location of the data directory. So the data directory has changed now from data underscore new data to data underscore new. So you just give the value between this comma. So just between inverted commas. So just say OK. Just cross verify if it is reflected. Okay, yeah, data underscore new is mentioned. Just close this as well. Close all the folders. Nothing should be open. PSQL, I think, yeah, open anything which is related to this so that it doesn't interfere when you are starting the service. And the final step is to start the service. So once the service is started, we'll log in. You can see that service started and is in the running mode. Now again, we'll go to PostgreSQL 12 command prompt and server localhost, and we'll give the password. Yes, we are able to log in. Just say show data underscore directory. So you can see that new location is updated, and any data which is created after now onwards, or you update, you create a database, create a table, insert, update, anything which modifies the data will come to this location. So this is how actually we do it. Now you can rename the older data, and you can delete it later on. So just a recap of what we have done is in this tutorial, what we did is we moved the data from current location to a new location. The current location was C drive program files PostgreSQL /12 data. We moved it to a new location, which is data underscore new. Since I do not have a separate drive, then we logged into Postgre command prompt, and then we checked the show data directory. So this suggested that it is on this particular location, C drive program files, Postgre 12 data. Then we stopped the PostgreSQL database using services.msc. We stopped PostgreSQL service. Then we copied the data from older location to new location. Then we added the registry using regedit, and PostgreSQL service was given the new location so that when the service is started, it looks from this location. And finally, we restarted the PostgreSQL service. And at the end, we checked the new location. So it was using show data directory, it reflected the new location. I hope this was useful, and see you soon in another video tutorial. Thanks for watching.